What is up, guys? It is the Marvel Maker. Today I will be giving you a special edition I've been working on for months. As you can see, I'm wearing my Iron Man helmet that actually retracts and goes back up. I've been working on for quite some time because when I've been working on Iron Man's helmet, mask, and the suit. So as you could see right there, I close this down. There's two magnetics that's connected to right there. Whenever it closes down, it sticks hard, so it wouldn't be flapping out like every other Iron Man suit does. Cool, right? I'm also going to be adding LED lights inside, so it could actually light up, and motion sensors right away. Yeah, as you closer version, look inside, you see those, look there, I added the two paper clips. It goes up, down like that, and it stays on, but actually the top part I'm still working on, so yeah, that'll take some time. But this Iron Man suit is one of a kind, because let's just say over the years I've been making Iron Man stuff, but this has actually been like quite the best one. By the way, you can see I actually made a new Captain America shield. Next, that'll be my next video. Wolverine's claws. I will send that. I'm making also Thor's Unworthy Hammer, work in progress from the Unworthy comic. Actually, this is a new one. And there's a Battle War version where it takes place in Battle War by Beyonder. I'm also going to be making his Stormbreaker, the original one from the comics. But, guys, if you like this, make sure you like, subscribe, hit the like button. The Marvel Maker is out.